DGAP-News, GRENKE AG, keywords, Miscellaneous the 7th of March 2018, 7:18 The issuer is solely responsible for the content of this announcement. Growth momentum at the start of the year continues in the second quarter of 2018. GRENKE Group's new business grows 23% in the first half of 2018. Higher number of cell divisions, 5 new locations in Q2, 7 in total after 6 months. 2018 full-year forecast for new business growth in the leasing segment raised to 18 to 22%, prior forecast 16 to 20%. Consolidated group net profit forecast between €123, 131 million confirmed. Baden, July 3, 2018. After a strong start in the year, the GRENKE Group continued to grow in the second quarter of 2018. The acquired volume at GRENKE Group Leasing, defined as the total acquisition costs of newly purchased leased assets, increased 23.3% to €609.2 million after €493.9 million in the same quarter of the previous year. With total new leasing volume of €1,158.4 million in the first 6 months of 2018, prior year period, €939.5 million. The billion-euro threshold was exceeded for the first time in a 6-month period by a significant amount and corresponds to an increase of 23.3%. New business at GRENKE Group Factoring has recently benefited in particular from the strong growth of the international franchise partners. Total purchased receivables increased by 16.4% to €118.8 million in the quarter under review, prior year period, €102.1 million, and by 18.0% to €235.6 million in the 6-month period, prior year period, €199.7 million. We are very satisfied with the level of new business achieved in the first half of 2018. The second quarter, we were able to maintain the outstanding growth of the prior quarter. So far this year, we have opened 7 new locations and will continue to add more in the second half of the year. We are confident that we will be able to generate a sharper increase in GRENKE Group Leasing's new business in the current fiscal year than previously forecast. As a result, we now expect an increase in new business of between 18 and 22% versus our prior forecast of 16 to 20% and, at the same time, confirm our earnings forecast for the current 2018 fiscal year, commented Andrzej Leminski, chair of the board of directors of GRENKE AG. The profitability of new business remained high. In the GRENKE Group's leasing segment, the contribution margin to CM2 increased in the 2018 6-month period by 20.8% to €205.1 million compared to €169.8 million in the same period of the prior year. This level represents a constant 17.7% CM2 margin compared to the first quarter of the year. In the first half of 2017, the CM2 margin was 18.1%. The leasing segment's CM1 margin, contribution margin 1 at acquisition values, was 12.8% in the first half of 2018 compared to 12.5% in the prior year period and reached €148.3 million compared to €117.8 million Q2 2018 to 12.9% and €78.8 million. Particularly noteworthy is the continuous high growth momentum seen in the comparatively new e-signature online offer. The number of leases signed using this innovative and fully digital distribution channel increased by 63.0% in the first half of 2018, 6M-2018 to 29,375 contracts, 6M-2017 to 18,018 contracts. Since its launch in 2015, our customers have chosen this option for a total of 88,113 contracts. As in the first quarter, the regions that continued to stand out showing very strong growth in the reporting period within our 3 core leasing markets were France, 24.6%, as well as Italy, 25.3%. Our core market of Germany advanced significantly with a plus of 13.1% compared to the previous year. Among the other major international markets, Spain once again stood out with new business growth of 42.3%. In the second quarter, we extended our cooperation with Kreditanstalt for Off-Bau with a follow-up agreement for a new global loan and launched our 8th global loan with NRW Bank. We also arranged a loan of €100 million for the first time with the European Investment Bank. This will enable small and medium-sized enterprises (SMEs) to benefit from attractive lease conditions when making new business purchases. In total, more than 42,000 leases have been concluded so far within the scope of such collaborations, says Sebastian Hirsch, member of the board of directors of GRENKE AG. In January through June period, the GRENKE Group recorded a total of 277,936 lease applications, 233,545 thereof were international, which generated 135,087 new lease contracts, 111,227 thereof were international. The mean acquisition value per lease contract was €8,575, 6M2017, €8,525, and remained at a level typical for the business. The conversion rate, applications into contracts, at the GRENKE Group Leasing segment, was 49%. The conversion rate in our international markets was 48%, which was lower than the level of 54% seen in the DACH region. In our factoring segment, we were able to increase the volume of new business in the first 6 months of the current fiscal year by 18.0% to €235.6 million, 6M2017, €199.7 million. The gross margin of the new business volume of €85.5 million achieved in Germany remained at a high level of 1.62%, 6M2017, 1.71%. The gross margin in our international markets was at the prior year's level of 1.20% on new business volume of €150.1 million. This margin is based on the average period for a factoring transaction in Germany of roughly 27 days, 6M2017, approximately 27 days, and close to 40 days on an international level, 6M2017, approximately 36 days. In the second quarter, GRENKE Bank's lending business for small and medium-sized enterprises, including business startup financing, recorded an even higher increase compared to the beginning of the year. This business grew 42.9% in the first 6 months with a volume in absolute terms of €18.7 million as per June 30, 2018 compared to €13.1 million in the same prior year period. The deposit volume of GRENKE Bank increased by 25.3% and amounted to €595.6 million as per June 30, 2018 compared to €475.3 million as per the end of the first half of 2017. Overview of new business development, in your millions. Previous year's figures have been adjusted. 6M2018, 6M2017 change in percent. New business GRENKE Group Leasing 1,158.4, 939.5, 23.3 of which international 871.4, 692.8, 25.8 of which franchise international 26.5, 10.9, 143.1 of which DACH *, 260.5, 235.8, 10.5 Western Europe without DACH *, 305.2, 240.4, 27.0 Southern Europe *, 371.1, 293.5, 26.4 Northern, Eastern Europe *, 183.4, 149.6, 22.6 Other regions *, 38.2, 20.2, 89.0 New business GRENKE Group Factoring 235.6, 199.7, 18.0 of which Germany 85.5, 81.6, 4.7 of which international 67.9, 74.7 to 9.2 of which franchise international 82.3, 43.4, 89.7 GRENKE Bank deposits 595.6, 475.3, 25.3 New business SME lending business INCL Business startup financing, 18.7 13.1 42.9 Contribution margin 2, CM2, on new business GRENKE Group Leasing 205.1 169.8 20.8 of which international 162.6 133.3 22.0 of which franchise international 5.62.3 145.1 of which DACH asterisk 36.9 34.37.7 Western Europe without DACH asterisk 54.8 43.6 25.9 Southern Europe asterisk 71.2 58.3 22.1 Northern Eastern Europe asterisk 34.2 29.0 18.0 Other regions asterisk 7.9 4.6 69.7 asterisk regions, DACH, Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Western Europe without DACH, Belgium, France, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Southern Europe, Croatia, Italy, Malta, Portugal, Slovenia, Spain, Northern, Eastern Europe, Denmark, Finland, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, UK, Czechia, Hungary, Poland, Romania, Slovakia Other regions, Australia, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Singapore, Turkey, UAE The company will publish its financial report for the second quarter and first half year of 2018 on July 27, 2018. For more information, please contact GRENKE AG Investor Relations Renata House Neuer Mark 276532 Baden-Baden Phone 497-221-5007-204 Email, investor@grenke.de Internet, http://www.grenke.de About GRENKE The GRENKE Group. GRENKE is a global financing partner for small and medium-sized companies. As a one-stop shop for customers, GRENKE's products range from flexible small-ticket leasing and demand-driven bank products to convenient factoring. Fast and easy processing and personal contact with customers and partners are at the center of GRENKE's activities. Founded in 1978 in Baden-Baden, the company operates in 31 countries and deploys more than 1,300 staff worldwide. GRENKE shares are listed in the SDAX on the Frankfurt Stock Exchange, ISIN DO00A161N30. Further information about GRENKE and its products is available at http://www.grenke.de. The 7th of March 2018 dissemination of a corporate news, transmitted by DGAP, a service of EQS Group AG. The issuer is solely responsible for the content of this announcement. The DGAP distribution services include regulatory announcements, financial, corporate news and press releases. Archive at www.dgap.de.